In this video, I will be showing you how to create desktop shortcut for Grok on Windows. So let's get started. For this, just come inside grok.com, and to the rightmost top you'll be having the three dots icon. Click it, and here we will be having cast, save and share. Just click on create shortcut, and you can just have it as Grok and select create. So now if I go to my desktop, as you can see here, I am having this shortcut. I can simply right click and pin it to taskbar. It will be coming here. So I can simply directly open Grok like this. It will be taking me to the browser. Another way can be, here you are having this install Grok. You can also use it, or else you just need to go to the same options. We'll be having here install Grok. Select it and just click on install, and if you want to pin it to taskbar you can do this also. So I will just close everything. So as you can see, we are having a desktop shortcut again. So if you open it, we'll be taken to this Grok interface, exact same interface that we saw earlier, but rather than opening it in the browser, it will open as a separate UI like this. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.